Good morning, everyone. Getting enough vitamin D from the sun helps the growth and development of bones and teeth. It may also provide improved resistance to certain diseases. With vitamin D, a fat-soluble vitamin in a family of compounds that includes vitamin D1, D2, and D3, your body produces vitamin D naturally when it is directly exposed to sunlight. Free po ang magpa-araw sa umaga. Kaya po, ang resistance natin at immune system ay improve when you have enough sunlight exposure in the morning. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, and liking. I hope you're enjoying my healthy tips every day.